On that day, Thomas the Train and his friends were trying to save the golden train from a snowstorm. Would they
A
succeed?
golden train is trapped in the snowstorm! We must save it! Hi, Percy. Is it very dangerous?
Yes, but we must save it.
Our spider legs will help us move in the snow. Let's start the rescue mission. The snow is getting deeper. Stay close to me. Where is the golden train located? We have to look for it together. I can barely see ahead. Keep moving forward! I found the tracks! Great! Follow them! Be careful on this bridge! The ice is slippery! Avalanche! Move quickly! That was close! Good teamwork! I see the golden train!
It's stuck in the snow! No!
Please, somebody help me! Clearing the track. I'll help push the snow away. Pulling now. Push together. One more try.
Thank you!
You're safe now.
You're safe now?
The storm is calming down. Let's go home. The sky looks clearer. Good sign. The sun is back. What a beautiful view.